guys, hey, we're back again in my kitchen. Yeah, I know it's been a while. Please forgive me. There was some technical errors, you know. Today we're doing something else. You know, starting a new series. We're gonna like test and review foods that you can literally just cook on the microwave. On this episode, however, we're making a 4-course meal. We're gonna, you know, cook all the meal first accordingly, and then we'll put everything on the table and then try it together. Just, you know, see how it comes out. The starter, a Mexican potato wedges. And the side is mac and cheese. Yeah. The main is gonna be quesadillas chicken. Is that okay? Is that makes sense?
Yeah. So now it's time for the dessert.
For the dessert now, we're gonna be making chocolate chip cookies. So first, yeah, as every normal restaurant, yeah, we're gonna start with the starter, which is the Mexican potato wedges. The one step is cut the potato into wedges, sprinkle with chili powder or paprika, microwave on high for 5 minutes until cooked. Okay, let's do that first. Because it's just one step here, but it's like, you know. So now I'm just gonna put paprika. I'm just gonna put the timer on. They say 5 minutes or until cooked. Alright, so the next step is stir in the mixed beans with more paprika and the garlic clove. Then heat the microwave on high for 2 minutes. Spoon over the potatoes and serve with low-fat soft cheese. So in that case, in the meantime, whilst it's in the microwave, we're gonna cut the garlic. So now I'm just gonna add the mixed beans to the plate where the garlic was. And then I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes, they said. And then yeah, that's done. That's done. It's done out here. Yeah? Now we'll just add 1 tablespoon of soft cheese. That is the starter done with. Microwave cooked it. The starter is out of the way. The next one now is the side, which is macaroni and cheese. Let's see how this comes out. Okay, fair enough. The potato, it got cooked. I wasn't expecting it, but it actually got cooked. For macaroni though, you think? So the first step is put macaroni in a bowl, water and salt. Put it in the microwave for like 3 or 4 minutes or whatever. And then, next step, we add more things in it. Scoop. Half cup of macaroni, water. Ooh. Now salt. How much salt? I don't even know.
They say like to taste, so just up to you. Like.
Now we just put in the microwave for 3 minutes, and we should have a result. Wow, it's really cooked. 1/4 cup cheese. Put it on it. 3 tablespoons of milk. Then put it back in the microwave for like 30 seconds, I guess, innit?
Yeah.
Well, this is how it looks, guys, so we're gonna try it later. I haven't tried it yet. If it's a flop, it's a flop, innit, like, you know. But I don't know. For me, actually, it's gonna be a flop. Like, just that milk there, just so it looks good. Yeah. The side is done now. Mac and cheese, done. Yeah. Next one now is the main, which is the chicken quesadilla. On the chicken quesadilla, we put it in the microwave, warm it up until the tortilla is crispy. 2 minutes is all you need because it's quite crispy now. Now the next step is
mix the chicken, peppers, and seasoning in a bowl, and then cook for 2 minutes.
We're gonna chicken in the box. We've got the peppers all sliced up already. We're gonna put in the chicken, and then it's meant to be taco sauce or taco seasoning. We only found fajita seasoning, and we thought, you know, they're both Mexican, you know, it's fine. So we're gonna use these fajita seasoning instead, and hopefully it's good, isn't it? I've already turn it all together, mix it all together. So now we're just gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and when it's done. And now it's been 2 minutes. Let's see how it comes out in there. So it's nice.
Ooh, that looks good too.
Yeah, it looks good. What's next time? Tell me.
So next,
Yeah.
you spread that mixture on the tortilla, cover with cheese, and then cover the tortilla.
Ooh, is that it?
Yeah, and then and now you have to melt the cheese.
Here we go. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that's big. Chicken quesadilla is done now. Yeah. So now it's time for the dessert, finally, because I really want to try out these things we made. They all look good. Now is the last one, the dessert, which is the chocolate chip. 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar. It's a lot of sugar.
The vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of vanilla extract.
That's what they say.
You sure it's not a teaspoon?
Oh, sorry, it's 3 drops.
You're so funny, wow.
I got you right there, didn't I?
No, you know them well. You know them when you flopped.
I damn flopped.
3 drops of vanilla extract.
A small pinch of salt.
Small.
A little pinch.
Yeah, I think that's a yolk.
Yeah.
Now we stir it. Looks good, apparently. 60 seconds, they say. Switch it on. Is it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to hold it because it's quite hot in it. What can I say? Everything is done for microwave. It's crazy, isn't it? Let me try it, okay. That.
Is that good? Are you lying? You're lying.
Hands up, that's good. Well, you know what though? The soft cheese made it better. Oh my god. Let me try the main, which is chicken Casablanca.
Casablanca?
What is it?
Quesadilla! Oh
Quesadilla.
my god! Casablanca, guys.
Let me try.
Is that good?
I swear. It's amazing.
We were expecting all of them to flop.
I know, I swear I was. Let me try the mac and cheese. I mean, I'm not really a big fan of mac and cheese in it, so. Tastes just like pasta to me. Now for the cookie dough. Oh wow. actually cooked. Look at it.
Whoa!
I know.
Is that good? We can make bad cookie dough now. Look how easy it was. Look at guy. The guy's thrown.
This is amazing. This one is would do. They are so good that I'm not even having dinner. This is my dinner. I swear. You could actually have a full meal with microwave.
Yeah.
I mean, we're gonna taste more food in the future, more microwave food in the future. But like this proves it though. This free already proved to me that you can have delicious meal just from microwave. That is amazing. So yeah, guys, that is the end of the video today. Please like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.